Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm hyped to show you something that's honestly a must-have if you're into crypto, DeFi, or Web3 in general. It's called GoLogin, and if you've ever had your account flagged, blocked, or you're juggling multiple wallets and logins, you're going to want to hear this. So here's the deal. GoLogin is an anti-detect browser, which basically means it helps you stay private online. It hides your digital fingerprint, like browser info, system details, IP, all that stuff. So exchanges and platforms can't track or link your accounts. You get full privacy, and you're way less likely to get banned or flagged. Let's get into details.
GoLogin's been around since 2019, so it's not some sketchy new tool. It's based in the US and already trusted by a lot of marketers, Web3 builders, and crypto pros. I looked into it, totally safe, well-reviewed, and constantly updated. Nothing shady here. All right, let's get into what it actually does. First off, it keeps you completely anonymous when using exchanges, dApps, or wallets. It blocks fingerprint tracking and keeps your identity separated across accounts. Second, you can bypass geo-blocks, so if a DeFi app or exchange isn't available in your country, GoLogin helps you access it anyway, safely. Third, multi-account management. This is huge. You can run a bunch of wallets or exchange accounts from the same browser, no need to log in and out or switch devices. It's clean, fast, and just works. Fourth, team access. You can securely share profiles with your team or partners without ever handing over login info. It's all remote, encrypted, and easy to manage. And they throw in 2 gigabytes of free residential proxies too, so your connection is not only hidden, but also stable and fast. Now, quick pros and cons. Pros, you stay totally private, you manage multiple accounts in seconds, it's got a clean interface, and the free proxies are a nice touch. It works across Windows, Mac OS, Linux, and even in the cloud. Also, the dev team pushes regular updates, so it's not one of those tools that just collects dust after launch. Cons? If you've never used an anti-detect browser before, it might take a few minutes to figure out how to set it up properly. However, GoLogin has its own YouTube channel and a large knowledge base to help you get started. Additionally, there's support available where the team can assist you if needed. The pricing is fair and great, and with a monthly fee, you can unlock all the extra features like a lot of profiles and API requests for scaling teams, extra unique profiles, and more. And here's a quick demo how it looks. You just add a profile, choose residential, mobile, or data center, choose a country, let's go with UK, and then just hit run, and each profile will run a separate tab ready for you to log in and work with Facebook profiles, Amazon, and more. Easy as that. Bottom line, if you're serious about crypto and want to stay in full control, GoLogin is a no-brainer. Safe, proven, and it just makes your life easier. You can try it free using the link in the description, and yeah, that includes 2 gigs of proxies to get started. All right, that's it for today. If you like this one, hit subscribe, drop a like, and let me know in the comments if you've tried GoLogin or have questions. Catch you in the next one.